So ayun, get ready with me kasi pupunta na naman tayo sa academy natin and meron tayong monitoring now. So ayun. So ito sa monitoring na to is yung minomonitor ka kung fully humahataw ka ba, 'di ba? And para talaga na sine-check din nila, yung minomonitor nila talaga kung ginagawa mo ba yung daily task mo. So, ayun. Let's go!
Fine, lipstick on and it's mascara popping, eyes so bright, foundation smooth, I'm feeling right. I love makeup, oh yeah, yeah. Best friends out there making me slay. I love makeup all day, day color shining, take my breath away. Blush on cheeks, I feel so sweet. Every shade is such a treat. Liner sharp, my look complete. Glam on point, can't be beat. I love makeup, oh yeah, yeah. Best friends out there making me slay. I love makeup all day.
Oh my God! Wow!
Got me feeling so incredible. Would you mind maybe linking? Love me, baby, are you down? Can you let me know? Let me think you leave me, put it down, then it's time to go. Get it like you love me, but you don't, boy, it's just for show. Take it or leave it, you gotta take it or leave it like,
Wow naman! Wow!
So, hi guys. So, yun, papunta na naman ulit kami sa academy. Ito, nagsisimula na kami maglakad. So, ayun sila, nasa may unahan na. And always lagi tayong nasa likodan. Ika nga, mas maganda kasi yung nasa likodan. Uy, charot lang. So, hi guys. So, yun. Ito na, mag-i-start na yung monitoring. So, papakita ko ulit sa inyo kung ano ba yung itsura ng loob ng office natin para malaman nyo din dito. Hold on.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist.
It's nothing but the west side.
When you say those things, I don't think you realize what they mean to me. Messing with my head, I'm going ADD. Keep the memories, cause I don't wanna be just friends.
2,000 years later.
So, ayun. Hi guys. So, tapos na kami and pauwi na kami now. So, ayun lang. Hanggang doon lang yung ating... So, bye-bye. Thank you very much.